So my order from Temu finally arrived, and I'm super excited. Well, I hope it's not going to be a case of what I ordered versus what I got. There's only one way to find out. All right, so I'll be unboxing the pack right now. Okay. So let's see what we've got here. Now I'll leave screenshots to the actual images, right somewhere here on the screen. Okay, so the first thing here is this hanger, towel hanger for bathroom. Yeah, for to put in my bathroom. Yes, towel hanger. It's pretty small though. Wow, it's pretty small. Not as small as this in the picture. I'm not too impressed with this one. Okay, well, I'll put it aside. So this is the humidifier, yes, and looks pretty small. Not bad. Okay, I think it came with, there's a cable, there's a cable in here to power it. Yes, okay, it's pretty cool. So I expected something bigger, but it's not bad. Yeah, put that aside. So next up, okay, yes, so this something I got for cable management, so that my cables won't be flying around on my work area. Yes, cable management, I think it's cool. It's not bad, it looks pretty small as well. Okay, so next up here, okay, yes, okay, it is touch, yes. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Touch, oh, it's rubber. Oh, it's rubber, a rubber touch. Though it looked metallic in the picture, but I'm surprised it came as a rubber. It has a rubber body. Yes, and it's actually rechargeable. Yes, so this is the rechargeable. This is the USB. Okay, it's a Type C. I think so. Yes, a Type C. Came with a Type C cord. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to drop this. This is the touch. Then next up we have this. Okay, yes. So this. Yeah. Okay, this is the perfume for the humidifier. Different flavors. Cool. Yeah. This is about 12. Yes, 12 different flavors. Yeah, 12 different flavors. I think it's cool. Smells nice. Don't tell anyone. Yes. So yeah, I think I'm pretty impressed with this. I think it looked pretty as it looks in the picture. I think I was expecting something like this, so I'm not really taken by surprise on this one. Then next up. Yeah, okay, yes. So this is the clip to hang stuff to your wall. So if you don't want to drill stuff hole or nail into your wall, you just want to, clip something, let's say frame or something. This will come up just handy. Oh, and I forgot this, the gloves. Yes, the gloves are nice. I got them for my unboxing videos. Yes, how do my finger look? Cool. Yes. Okay, so finally I got, what do we have here? Oh, flowers. Yes. Flower pots. Looks pretty small though. Whoa, 6. Looks pretty small. I expected something bigger. Whoa. Have I been scammed by Temu on this one? Yeah, I think so. Temu scammed me on this one. Looks pretty small. I expected something bigger. I got six of them for about, I think the price is 7,000, 6,000 something. It's pretty small. I expected something bigger from Temu. The other ones. Yes. So it's just to beautify your work area, your workspace, your living room, your cabinets, just to add some extra beauty and glow, finesse to your work area. So that's why I got them. Pretty small. Yes, I'm not too impressed with the size. I created something bigger, like I said. So Temu, I think you scammed me on this one. I'm not impressed at all. So yeah, so these are the items I got from Temu. Yes, if I'm to score Temu, I think I'm going to give them score. Let me say it's 5.5 over 10, or should I give them a 6? Okay, let me give them a 6 over 10. Just a few items didn't meet my expectation, but especially this towel hanger for the bedroom, too small for my expectation. But I think other items didn't perform too badly, so I'm going to give Temu a 6 over 10.